Kitchen glows beneath the moon. Life's a recipe